Most people believe becoming rich is about luck. They think you need a brilliant business idea, or a six-figure salary, or the perfect investment at the perfect time. But here is a strange question. If becoming rich requires luck, why do ordinary people quietly become millionaires every single year? People with normal jobs, normal salaries, and very average lives. The truth is something most people completely misunderstand. Becoming rich is mostly a math problem, not a talent problem, not a luck problem, a math problem. And once you understand the math, wealth stops looking mysterious. It starts looking predictable. Let's imagine two people. Both earn the same salary, both start working at the same age, both live in the same city, but after 20 years, one of them is financially free, and the other is still living paycheck to paycheck. What happened? The answer is simple. Math happened. Wealth is built through small numbers repeated over long periods of time. The first number is your saving rate. This is the percentage of your income that you keep instead of spending. If someone earns $50,000 and saves 5%, they keep $2,500 per year. But if another person saves 20%, they keep $10,000 per year. Over 10 years, the difference becomes massive. One person saves $25,000, the other saves $100,000. Same salary, different math. But the real magic begins with the second number, time. Money grows faster the longer it stays invested. This is because of something called compound growth. Compound growth means your money earns returns. Then those returns also start earning returns, and those new returns keep growing again. Over time, the growth starts accelerating. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. At the beginning, the snowball is small. It barely grows. But the longer it rolls, the bigger it becomes. And eventually, the snowball becomes huge. Money works exactly the same way. For example, imagine investing $500 every month. If that money grows at an average return of 8% per year, something interesting happens. After 10 years, you would have around $91,000. After 20 years, around $295,000. After 30 years, about $745,000. And after 40 years, more than $1.5 million. Notice something surprising. Most of the wealth appears near the end, not the beginning. This is why starting early matters so much, because the math needs time to work. But there is another number that quietly destroys wealth for many people: lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation happens when income increases and spending increases at the same time. Every raise becomes a bigger house, a better car, more expensive vacations. And slowly the saving rate stays the same, or sometimes it even decreases, which means the math stops working. Many people earn more every year, but their wealth never grows, because the numbers never change in their favor. Meanwhile, people who understand the math focus on three simple rules: save a higher percentage of income, invest consistently, and give the money enough time to grow. That's it. No complicated secrets, no financial magic, just math repeated patiently for many years. This is why some ordinary people quietly become millionaires. They didn't win the lottery. They didn't build billion-dollar companies. They simply understood the math of wealth, and they let time do the heavy lifting. Because when you look closely, building wealth is not mysterious at all. It's just a simple equation most people ignore.